our house, and it hasn't been cleaned in quite a while. I'm trying a product called 30-second clean. I watched a guy on YouTube. He used it, and Kevin just bought the refill gallon. He didn't buy the bottle that hooks onto your hose, but on the hose it says, on the bottle it says clean. So it puts out quite a bit of force when it coats the building. And see, this thing, I can't get it to, there's a spray. Well, no, not really. It's pretty sad that I don't have anything. But he said to coat it twice. Wait about 2 minutes and then go back over it. And let me tell you, I see the stuff just melting off of there. Do y'all see that? Of course, a lot of it is pollen. But let's see what this does. There's some real green right there. Says this bottle is supposed to cover 600 square feet. And I don't know. Okay, y'all, I just went and got the hose, but I want to bring y'all in here close so you can see on the first go what it looks like. And over here, I haven't done any. Look at that. Yeah, this bottle isn't holding a tight vacuum because I lost the original plug to this bottle, and I had another bottle that the handle broke, and so I stole a piece out of it, but it's still trying to be a little loose. I need to get down here. It's blowing on me. I don't need it blowing on me or in my eyes. Got a nice wind right now. Ooh, that feels good. I hope y'all can see that. This is amazing. Now this is the second soaking. And over here, where I had rinsed it off, and there was still a few things there, that's even fading out even more. I'm not going to have much touch up to do here. And here, I need to squirt it one more time, it looks like. But look at that. Look at how well that's doing. Now I'm going to let it sit just a little bit longer. I'm going to try to be patient, and I'm going to go ahead and get this down here wet for the first time. Look how bad that is. Okay, I've let it set on the second soaking. But look, at what I've done and what I haven't done. Amazing. Spray it on and rinse it off. Look, I gotta cut these off. But look at this side, how thick it is. My hand's having a spasm. Sure is fun. It's a sickness, I'm telling you. Watching all that get washed away makes me so happy. Oh! And no, I won't take drugs for it. It's really not that bad. I just like a challenge. And I don't necessarily get a whole challenge done. I don't kill myself.